What's this? It's a jump pack. Hook it up, turn it on, good to go. Why not just use jumper cables? This is simple. But I wanted to make a jumper cable video. One item that every vehicle should have with it is a set of jumper cables. Not only will this help you out when your battery dies, but you can also go help others when theirs dies. Jumper cables are simple to use. Hook up one side to the supply vehicle battery positive and negative terminals. Hook the other side to the dead battery positive and a vehicle ground. Having a good set of cables with proper wire thickness is very important. Better to be over thick than under. Low-tier cables try to trick you with a thicker sheathing covering a small wire. The smaller wires will heat up and melt or even catch fire. If that happens, a dead battery will be the least of your problems. Today's project is more of a convenience than a necessity. It came about because I'm a bit lazy. I'm going to walk you through modifying the cables for easier connections with these quick disconnects. This project is useful for those that have a quick disconnect installed on the front or rear of the vehicle. I have both because my winch is hot swappable. Let's get into it. This is my nice set of cables. I'm leaving about 8 inches of wire on the clamps themselves. This way I can put another disconnect end on them and have a normal jumper cable. Oops, that was dumb. Should have marked the cables before cutting. Trim off the insulation about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. Stick the end into the terminal end and crimp it down. A cable crimper is ideal. A hammer and a chisel or a vise will work as well. Put some heat shrink over the end to keep them clean and stick the terminal end into the quick disconnect plug. The lip on the terminal needs to be facing the spring inside the plug. Once the terminal is pushed in far enough, the spring will click and lock the terminal in place. The disconnects are usually marked positive and negative. These quick disconnects are standard size, so they should work across manufacturers. Don't quote me on that though, manufacturers do some really weird stuff. And there you have it. A completely unnecessary, but useful jumper cable upgrade. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you don't need to be jumped. Hey man, can I get a jump?